So I did the search for WordPress maintenance. Up comes a bunch of results here. Now, I already know from my previous research that this is very competitive, and it's unlikely I'm going to rank for anything with WordPress that I'm going to beat WordPress.org or WordPress.com blogs. And some of these ones here too, almost 15,000 links going to their site. So not likely I'm going to beat that. Now, the thing that makes this interesting is you're going to want to score below 40 out of this 100, because anything above 45 or so is going to be really difficult to rank. So you're going to need a long-standing, quality, authoritative domain name, and you're going to need lots of links pointing to your site from other high authority domains. So what I use this for is simply adding the word that I think I'm going to use, see how hard it is so I know what I'm getting into, going down here and having a look at my competition, because this tells me what I'm going to have to do to get to the first page of Google. Now, this tool, the free version, you will have 3 searches. So this is the last step that I recommend. Once you've already narrowed it down and you have the keywords that you think you're going to use, this is the final check so that you can see what you're going to have to do and you're ready to do the work. So this number here is domain authority. It's out of 100. So obviously WordPress.org ranks pretty high for WordPress maintenance. And then this is page authority. Now that's the specific page and how well it optimizes. We're only dealing with global keywords at this point, not page keywords. This is the Moz rank, a rank given by Moz, the company, and Moz Trust Factor. I don't worry about these two. Links, this is how many links are pointing to the site. So I'm not going to rank higher than WordPress. I'm likely never going to beat these guys because they have 15,000 links pointing their way. But I can likely beat out some of these, knowing what I know about my domain name, how many links I have, and all of that. So with the right content, I should be able to beat these guys. And this is your Facebook likes and your Google Plus shares. And what we're looking for is a green button here, because the green one says it is the easiest. So for example, a WordPress maintenance plan is a lot easier than trying to rank for WordPress maintenance or maintenance WordPress. And this is WordPress maintenance gets a 60, whereas the other way, yeah, it doesn't matter which way you put the words, it's still going to be difficult to do. So this one here is also green. What is it? WordPress expert. So that gives me some ideas. Now you only get 25 results on this side with the free version. So do this, find one that's green if possible, or at least know what you're getting into and how much work you're going to need to put in to rank on the first page.